to my YouTube channel. Let's do a little photo manipulation. Click on gallery, import the image. This is the pencil. Just cut it out like this. Right, go over to eraser, increase this a little, click on the zoom and zoom it out like this. Then try to remove these guys. Okay, so like this. Then let's go. Go again. Okay. Right, so once you've succeeded in removing it, then you will have this shape formed. I can increase this now and clean all these guys out. So we have something like this. All right, so if it's going to be like this, then I can come over here now, rotate this, put it right here, then I'll drag it. All right, I can still push it in like this and still drag it here. Right, you see that now. So make sure it is sitting on it properly, very well. Okay, so this is another guy. Cool, right? So we could leave it like this. I think it's good to go. Right, let's go over here. Let's try to adjust this. Okay. Right, when you are done, you can go ahead and save, and make sure that it is sitting exactly on this guy. All right, my name is Niyamuda. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe.